Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bitrate on Netflix app. You click on settings. In this page you can go to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Netflix and you can click here. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.